My name is Evelyn, and I will be Sky for this video. We are talking about slime.
Slime, yes. We made some slime about a month ago, and we were trying to sell it on Etsy at One of a Kind Creation, but it didn't sell. So, what happens to slime when it starts sitting for too long? It starts melting. What does melting mean for slime? Is that it starts getting sticky again. So, kind of looks like this, but then it just gets stuck on everything, and when slime gets really sticky, what happens? It gets on clothing, and when it gets on clothing, it destroys it, so that's not a good thing. So what you do when your slime starts melting is that you have to get a bowl of water with about a tablespoon of, let's say, okay, so about like maybe 2 cups of water with a tablespoon of borax, or maybe a tablespoon and a half of borax. It needs to be kind of more of a high concentration of borax, a little bit. And you put it in there, you let it sit there for a while, and it starts getting hard again. See how it starts getting chunky like that? So for this, you know, this slime was already melting, so we don't want to keep it for too much longer, so we're letting it, you know, really morph into something else, not slime anymore. We're just kind of experimenting with it and letting it harden. Yeah, so this slime that we made, that we wanted to sell, we had little pets inside.
Yeah, I got one.
Supposed to be like pet surprises.
Yeah, I got one now.
Came with 2 little pet surprises.
Yeah, I'm trying to get.
Yeah, the market is completely saturated with slime everywhere, and you can find some really cheap slime at the stores. So, yeah.
Why you put this so low, Mama?
It just sank in there. What do you think about my slime, Evelyn?
Good, but I'm trying to take out toy. I'm trying to keep them.
Yeah.
I like this toy.
Slime. So this is how slime looks when it's like overdone. When it's over processed, it gets really chunky.
Ew.
Like this.
Chunky. Ew.
It's not slime at all. It gets really clumpy.
It is
so when you make slime,
slimy.
You kind of want to try doing your water, what you put your glue in, not so high in borax, and just slowly add borax if you think that your slime is being too sticky. It still has too much of a glue consistency, and then you slowly add like pinches of borax into the water solution until you start getting the consistency that you want. But if you just put like a bunch of borax in there, and then the soap, this is what's going to happen. It's just going to get all clumpy, and that's not nice. But if you do make a clumpy slime and let it sit for about a month, it will melt a little bit into a more nicer and more workable slime.
Guys, look, it's not sticking to me.
It'll take a long while.
It's not sticking to me anymore.
Yeah. This clumpy slime does not stick, but if it gets too clumpy, it does like fall apart very easily. It gets like into little pieces, like that.
Yeah, like
it's kind of just
chunky.
Comes apart really easily.
Look, it's not sticking to me.
It doesn't really like melt.
Guys, watch this. This is the weird slime. It's not even sticking to me. Watch. It's not sticking.
Oh no.
No.
And that's what happens when you have kids.
Yeah.